Welcome to the scenic city of Haridwar, India, where the tranquility of nature meets the brilliance of industry. This is the world of Synokem Pharmaceuticals, on course to inspiring a meaningful change in the pharmaceutical industry. With our quality, innovation and excellence. This journey began in 1982 with Mr. J.M. Arora, who laid the foundation of Synokem Pharmaceuticals. We went on to establish our present-day Unit 1 in Haridwar in 2005, and then to establish our second state-of-the-art manufacturing unit in 2015. As the company expanded its horizons and entered into a partnership with TA Associates, it ventured and established its largest and third manufacturing facility in Haridwar recently in 2022. In the present day, Synokem has 3 ultra-modern state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Haridwar, certified by WHO, GMP and ISO, where the production of a wide range of products for various therapeutic segments takes place under CGMP regulatory compliance. Our corporate headquarters are located in New Delhi, India, comprising a team of passionate and dedicated professionals. People at Synokem are revolutionizing the pharmaceutical industry with their unwavering commitment to quality and manufacturing excellence. And today, this has led us to stand at a milestone of having achieved a turnover of rupees 1,000 crores. Synokem's formulations span various dosage forms, including hormonal and general tablets, capsules, liquids, creams, ointments and gels, covering a wide range of therapeutic segments. Synokem is poised to achieve significant growth with the potential of manufacturing lyophilized and liquid vials and ampoules in the near future. Our commitment to innovation is exemplified by our unique sustained-release tablets of natural micronized progesterone, making us the only company in the world to manufacture them. Synokem's laboratories are equipped with the latest sophisticated instruments. All our QC activities are managed through 4 sections: Wet Analysis Laboratory, Instrumental Analysis and Finished Products. Our employees utilize exacting and sophisticated analytical methods for evaluation while adhering to stringent quality norms to ensure product quality. Microbiological Testing Laboratory, with a core QC team of more than 100 experienced and competent people. Our walk-in accelerated and long-term stability chambers aid us in catering to different conditions of stability studies. Rigorous standards have been implemented by our on-site quality assurance team, allowing for the production of consistently high-grade pharmaceutical products. Our manufacturing plants are managed by elite group of professionals with rich experience who keep abreast with global developments. Our facilities are powered with an on-site employee strength of 1,500 employees. Our esteemed clients trust us for our quality and innovation. We are proud to serve a diverse range of customers. Our R&D facility has a unique feature: the Center of Excellence for Innovation, with focus on developing transformative technology and high-value drug products through intensive research, held at our Research and Development Laboratory, comprising an analytical developmental lab, formulation and development lab, and a pilot plant for holding trials for our pilot batches. This dedication has resulted in a robust pipeline of formulations, ensuring a steady stream of quality products. These are our latest DCGI approved products.
As we move forward, our collective mission remains to make a positive impact on healthcare and improve the well-being of people worldwide. We express our gratitude to our customers and the talented professionals at Synokem Pharmaceuticals. Their expertise, unwavering dedication, and collaborative efforts have positioned us as leaders in the pharmaceutical industry. Our relentless focus on research and development has been instrumental in our quest to deliver technologically superior products.
It's with the invaluable expertise and resources provided by TA Associates, we are poised to open new avenues for breakthrough innovations that address unmet medical needs.
The company has flung its wings and has grown into a large business conglomerate as a manufacturer, marketer, exporter, and government tenderer. Our success is the result of focusing on our clients' top priorities such as quality products, on-time delivery, competitive rates, and unmatched service. Over the years, we have been awarded and recognized for our endeavor of manufacturing premium quality products at an affordable pricing to larger sections of society. Synokem's technologically advanced manufacturing facilities, coupled with stringent quality management systems and research initiatives, have positioned the company as a trusted provider in international markets. We are continually expanding our presence all over the world. Today, our presence is in over 27 countries in these regions. Synokem's array of certifications and accreditations serves as a testimony to our unwavering commitment to quality. Our partnerships with strategic allies have further strengthened our global presence, making us a renowned player in the pharmaceutical industry. Synokem operates through well-defined divisions: contract manufacturing, international business, institutional business, and ethical marketing. CRAMS, contract research and manufacturing services. We're equipped with high-tech HVAC systems. We also possess an effluent treatment plant on site. Our ultra-filtration system with double RO function while ensuring minimal ecological impact. Our values and expectation are at the heart of everything we do and define our culture so that together we can deliver extraordinary impact for patients and make Synokem a brilliant place to work. We strive to ensure a safe working environment and to protect the health of our employees. Our emphasis on sustainability allows us to expand our business while minimizing our ecological footprint. We continue to learn along the way. We explore ideas, face setbacks, and relentlessly pursue new approaches to make true advances against diseases. Our people remain dedicated to transforming science into breakthrough medicines. The quest goes on to improve the life of each patient in the best way possible. In partnership with others, together we spark meaningful changes for the future of human health. This is who we are. This is Synokem Pharmaceuticals Limited, committed towards better healthcare. Visit our website at synokempharma.com.